My name is Saloni Chandok. I'm 14 years and I'm from Bombay Scottish School, Mahim. We're going as part of our SEPW trip to a village that our school has adopted near Panvel. Its name is Dharanichi Wadi. About 140 children are going, all from the 10th standard, and we're planning to help out the villagers.
Some of us are performing a street play, some of us are teaching the children over there, and some are taking part in the community kitchen, which is something I'm doing to cook khichdi for the children of the village.
I'm going to do the baseline survey in the village. We're going to go to a few villagers' houses and ask them their name, age, and their the amount of people living in that house. Then this is the questionnaire for the thing.
Today I'll be going to as a teacher in the village school, and I'll be teaching the kids some craft like making planes, and we'll be giving them some knowledge on transport.
And part of street play, where we're putting up a skit for child education, in particular girl education, promoting girl education.
जागृति वाड़ी इसको बोलते हैं, जो ट्रैवल बच्ची यहाँ पर लगती है, और वो जो गाँव है जागृति करके मराठा गाँव।
मेरा नाम रोशन पाटिल है, गांव का नाम धरनी है। हमारे चाली में 5 पौधे लगाए और अभी इस साल में लगाएंगे, बाद में समशेर में लगाएंगे।
I planted 3 plants. It's Ashoka, all 3 are Ashoka.
I put 1 plant and it's Ashoka. I put 1 Ashoka. An amazing experience. And my hands are all dirty now.
Next go.
कुछ नया सीखना है आपको। कुछ ऐसी 3-4 चीजें
म्हणजे तुम्हाला आमच्याकडे पाणी येतं पाणी
तुम्हाला त्याचं काय मदत कसली?
I just finished the baseline survey in 3 houses, and I've noticed that when I've asked the women of the houses, like, do they want to study ahead, they're like, no, like, we are quite happy with whatever we have.
They were all employed a short while ago, but apparently some company closed down and most of them have now lost their jobs. So they say that they are running on a very low income.
We have also found that most of the houses over here have complaints that children are not able to go to school, like with transport facilities. There is no like rickshaw or a car or anything to take them to their school. They have to go walking all the way to the outskirts of the village. Around 5 to 6 kilometers, they said.
A lot of parents said that they want better educational facilities for their kids, more concentration on learning, and the kids themselves seem very confident. They want to learn more, they want to progress. So I think we have to really help them to go that final mile.
People over here fall ill quite frequently, like once in 3 months and all. The health facilities over here are not good. Like they have to travel quite a lot to go to the medical clinic.
We found out about how that there's not a single washroom in the entire village, and they have to go to the fields or somewhere outside in the other villages where there's a community washroom, and they have to use the washroom over there. And that the sanitation facilities in this village are very poor, because of which many children and all are getting ill.
I'm Sabha Mehta, and today I taught them how to do vegetable painting. So I got some vegetables with me, and as you can see, this is what I've done with them. I cut the vegetables for them, and I taught them how to dip it in the paint and imprint it on the paper. And I actually had a great time with them.
Yesterday, when we were making all the preparations for the khichdi, we were having a conversation amongst ourselves, and we were like, hopefully the khichdi should be edible, at least, if not good. And it's turned out very, very well, and I'm very proud of all of us. And it's one of the best khichdi's I've ever eaten.
हमारे गांव की लोक संख्या बोलेंगे तो नियरली 700 to 750 पॉपुलेशन रहेगी, और ज़्यादातर ये गांव के लोग ज़्यादातर खेती करते हैं। गर्मी में वो दूसरा मतलब भिंडी वगैरह जैसी सब्जी लगाती हैं, क्योंकि इधर पानी बोलेंगे तो इधर से आगे चौक में एक डैम है हमारे आगे, तो डैम से पानी आता है और पानी से पानी मशीन लगा कर पानी उछलते हैं और इधर खेती पे लगाते। यहाँ पे 2 गाँव है, धारनी और धारनी आदिवासीवाड़ी। ज़्यादातर मतलब 2-3 बच्चे ही रहेंगे, ऐसे नियरली 300 लोग मतलब वो पॉपुलेशन रहेगी उधर की। ज़्यादातर 3-4 बच्चे स्कूल, 4-5 बच्चे स्कूल जाते, बाकी लोग स्कूल नहीं जाते।
आज मैं आप लोगों को बताऊंगा 2 परिवारों की कहानी, तावड़े और जोशी। इनकी जिंदगी में क्या होता है आज हम देखेंगे। क्या किया तुमने, बताओ मुझे क्या किया।
कुछ नहीं।
तो अभी मैं तुम्हें नौकरी से निकाल रहा हूँ, चल जाओ।
पापा ये क्या कर रहे हो? पापा मैं पढ़ाई कर रही हूँ।
पढ़ाई क्यों कर रही है? जाके घर में काम कर, इतना सारा काम पड़ा हुआ है। पढ़ाई क्यों करेगी?
पापा मुझे बड़े होकर डॉक्टर बनना है।
डॉक्टर नहीं बनना तुझे, तुझे शादी करके दूसरे घर जाना है।
लेकिन मुझे पढ़ाई करनी है, मुझे डॉक्टर बनना है।
हमको आपने तो आप चल के आए, हमने बुलाया भी नहीं तो भी आप चल के आए, तो हमारा तो फुल सपोर्ट। हम तो वही देखते हैं कि हमारा गांव हमारे से जितना होगा उतना हम करते, और किसका भी सपोर्ट लिया तो वो भी हम चाहते हैं कि जो सपोर्ट करेंगे उसके लिए हम सपोर्ट करने के लिए बहुत तैयार।
It was amazing.
It was a very nice trip organized by Anand Vikas, and I'm feeling very great because we got the opportunity to do something like this, and I would just like to thank Anand Vikas.